Hello friends, I'm Deepak. Welcome to you all in Info for You channel. Uh, Today I will discuss about some of the very most commonly used formulas in Google Sheet and MS Excel. So it's just a beginning of my in this video tutorials. If you like this kind of video, then definitely I will make another videos also for the advanced formulas and how to make a dynamic dashboard and how to use manual multiple uh, SQL also and query also and split and other functions. But it's a kind of initiative and it's just start. So just starting my videos from here. So uh, I just prepare a sample data set here where date, school name, student name, and any kind of amount is there. This just for calculating of formulas. So I prepared it, and we will discuss about count and CountA and CountBlank and CountIF and CountIFS. So just start with the count A count. So syntax is this: a count and select the range of data and press enter. Then you will get a value. What is the count of that part that thing? Anything. So here you are getting 0 uh, because why you are getting 0, because it's alphabet and CountIF function is counting only the numbers. So if you will use a count function here on the numbers, then it will give a result. Instead of this, if you are putting any alphabetical value here, then you will get a reduced count. Here you can see uh, when I entered Deepak on the place of a number, then the number is getting reduced because it is counting only numbers in this particular range. So I'm just trying to control Z and just another. So let's discuss the another formula, count A. The count A, as name suggests, it is counting the numbers and as well as alphabet also. So I'm just going to lock the cell range. फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं काउंट ए सेम रेंज here you can see in count function we are getting 0 but in count A we are getting 18 value because it is counting the alphabet also. Count A function counts the alphabet also. Next, count blank is equal to count blank. As the name suggests, it is counting only blank values in that particular range. So if I select a column, then it is giving a result 0. Why? Because there is no blank entry in this cell range. If I make some delete some data from here, then you will get some blank entries. So it is counting only the blank things, that 1, 2 and 3. 3 things are blank, so you are getting the blank result as a 3. Instead of using a particular column, you can also select a multiple range from here. As you can see, I selected this particular range from, and if we delete some data from here, then we are getting the blank values. How many cells are blank in that particular range? So we are counting that blank values only. So just change my data again on the same format. CountIF function is counting any particular thing in a range. So uh, just we are just taking a question. How many students belongs to a school. So count function will give the answer of this question. Why this gives this answer? Because it's matching a particular condition on that thing is counting and that is available on that particular data. So this is matching these kind of things. So using it is equal to CountIF. Learn the syntax please. CountIF start bracket and then range. We have to select the range in which we have to select find anything. Selected the range, comma, criteria. We have to put any kind of criteria in this range for which keyword you are looking for. For example, we are taking how many times Sahai schools exist on this data range. So we'll just take like that Sahai school inverted comma and close. Here we are getting the numbers, so we are getting wrong because we typed wrongly. So it is giving now that in this particular range Sahai schools exist 6 times. You can you can check it by using filter also. Now also the count is 6, so it is for the checking and testing purposes. Instead of typing the finding value in inverted commas, we can put directly a cell particular cell values here and get the same result as that. In CountIFs sets the multiple conditions on a cell and other things. For example, CountIF match only one condition, that uh, count only Sahai schools. But here we are, if we are taking Sahai school and on a particular date, how many times that exists, so it will count that one also. So let's write CountIFs criteria range 1. Criteria range 1, it means let's write with the Sahai school, comma, criteria is equal to, sorry, criteria range 1. Then we will take range, comma, what will be the criteria, that is the high school, comma, criteria range 2, comma, what will be the criteria 2. Let's assume कि we are finding 1st October, कि how many students visited on a particular seminar in 1st October of high school. So it's a multiple condition for counting, comma, enter. Here you are getting you just added extra 1. So it is getting it adds key in that particular cell that Sahai school exists, and on that particular only one candidate is there. Who is, which one is there? Sahai schools, this one, only this one is highlighted, is counting here. So hope you like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. um, I'm new in this field, but I will make more advanced formulas, how to make a dynamic dashboard for any kind of business and marketing dashboard, and uh, many of Sparkline and many more features available on Google Worksheet. So please motivate us. Thank you for watching this video.